Okay, this time is about the floor plan in SketchUp. Uh, I've I've to draw the floor plan in SketchUp, and with a modern house, we can use the rectangle or rotate rectangle. Can click from this position, then we can type 6 meter, enter, and we can move it to the behind around 10 meter, enter. Okay, then we have to push it up a little bit in here, and then we can select the tape measure tool. Okay, in here. Okay, we can set the depth of this house is around 6 meter in here, and okay, this is a 3 meter. Sorry, this is around 3 meter. Enter, and it's to the behind 3 meter. Okay, and it's 1.3 meter. Okay, and for this one 2 meter or 1.6 meter in here. Then we can select the line. Okay, and we can draw about the room positioning in here. Okay, we can offset it inside 150 millimeter. Okay, then we can push it up 3.5 meter, make group, and we can make the indoor wall in here 150 millimeter. Sorry, we can push it up, make group, and push it to the front 75 millimeter and 150 millimeter in here to this position. And then we can also create flip along with the green axis in here. Okay, we can move and place to the position in here, and also this one, and push it to this position, and just select the rotate rectangle again and 150 millimeter. Sorry, it's getting complicated on the axis. 150 millimeter. Okay, we can move it to this position and press to this position. Okay, we can make group. Okay, now this is for the simple and basic floor plan in here, and now maybe we can make the floor in here. We can make the floor of this floor plan. We can set the thickness of the floor is around 300 millimeter approximately in here, and don't forget to give the some different color. We can don't forget to give the different color in here. Okay, and we can move it to this position, and okay, we can make a door opening in here. You can type 2.4 meter. Okay, and set the openings. Okay, we can make around 900 millimeter in here, in this position. Sorry, we can make the door. This is just only a simple door without a frame anyway, so we can just the wood materials to give the door element in here. Okay, and this is about the window. This is about the little window on this bedroom in here. So this is the window on the bedroom, and push it to the behind. Okay, this is just a simple window, and I'll give some frame for the window frame in here. Okay, just like this, and I give the window leaf in here. Okay, and just make group. Then we can select remove, type control, Okay, place to this position on the guest room. This is on the guest room. The window is for the guest room, and this is the bedroom. This is a bedroom. This is a bathroom. This is the living room and kitchen, and also a dining room anyway. And then we can make the opening, small opening in here, over there. Okay, and after that we can also make the rectangle in here and decrease the rectangle position in here. Okay, then we can push it down in here. We can make the simple hip roof in here. We can make the simple hip roof, and we can select this hip roof, and we can type 400 and create hip roof in here. Okay, then we can move it up and move it for this support of this roof, and push it down. And we can also give some roof support in here. Okay, and then we can set the roof. Or we can use this modern roof in here. Okay, and we can create the another elements of this house with using the appropriate stone in here. Okay, just like this, and we can add more canopy. Okay, and we can add the terrace floor in here. Okay, and this is about the simple grass element in here. I will choose this simple grass element, and this is the tree element, but it's need more little than before. Okay, and then we can add more stone. We can add more stone in here, and okay, I think it's just better. Then we can select the another color in here. Okay, and we can push it to the front. Okay, just like this. And we can also change about the style. We can also change about the style with this style, and we can make the wooden, and also change about the materials with using this one. And select move on this position, and we can add more step in here, and we can also push it to the front again. Okay, and we can also set the shadow in here, and change about the pavement with this pavement materials. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and you can see about the floor plan of this house to learn about the making the floor plan. And maybe it's not totally complete, but you can exercise with your device, with your own room, to create it more better. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to join the membership of this channel, then you can get a lot of perks of it. And just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.